video short on speaking practice. I am Hadriana Kurnia. I will explain my presentation is about higher education. Let's get started. Next, this slide introduction to higher education. Higher education is education after high school. It includes universities and college. Higher education is important because it helps us gain deeper knowledge and prepare for our future careers. So, higher education is the level of education that we take after graduating from high school. It includes institutions like university and college. Higher education is important because it allows you to learn more deeply in the field where interest. It also helps prepare you for the working world so we can have the knowledge and skill needed for our future. Next, in this slide, a function of education. First, prepare individuals for economy roles. Second, develop individuals' talent for personal stratification and for the benefit of the community. 3. Preserving culture. So, I will explain the function of education. For the first function is to prepare individuals for economy roles. This means education helps you gain the skill and abilities needed in the workplace, such as thinking skill, communication, and teamwork. The second function is develop individual talents and potential. Everyone has different abilities, and through education we can discover and important choose talents. This is not only for personal but stratification, but also so we can contribute the community. The three function is preserving culture. Education plays an important role in maintaining culture values, traditional and norms in society. Through education, these values can be passed down from one generation to the next. So, education also helps shape a person's character, such as being responsible, disciplined, and respect to others. So, overall, education plays a very important role not only for individuals but also for society and culture sustainability. So, next types of higher education. First, university. Second, college. 3, vacation education. There are different types of higher education such as university, college, and vacation schools. Each has a different focus and learning style. So, in general, higher education is divided into 3 types. For the first, universities, usually over a wide range of study programs for social science to science and technology. Students can learn more broadly and integrate deep. Second, college generally have a more specific focus compared to universities, but they still provide academic education. 3, vacation education focuses more on practical skills, but that can be directly applied in the workplace, such as technical training or specific job skill. So students can choose based on their interests and career goals. That's all. Next, learning process in higher education. In higher education, students learn through lectures, discussions, assessment, and exam. This process helps students understand the material better. So, in higher education, students learn through various methods, such as first, lectures, where the lecturer explains the material. Second, discussion, which helps students think critically and share ideas. 3, assessment, to strengthen understanding, and exams to evaluate learning outcomes. So that student not only memorize the material but also understand it more deeply and can apply it in real life situations. And students are expected to become more independent, critical thinkers, and better prepared for the working world. Online learning in higher education. First, online classes. Second, platforms like a Zoom, Google Meet, and next, flexible learning. Last, WAG. Nowadays, higher education also use online learning. Students can join classes using platforms like a Zoom and Gmeet. It makes learning more flexible. Use of digital platforms. Currently, the teaching and learning process is largely supported by video conferencing applications such as like Zoom and Gmeet. This platform allows users to maintain face-to-face interaction and direction discussion. When we are different locations, learning flexibility, one of the main advantages of online learning, it is flexible. Students can access material and participate in lecture from anywhere, which significantly improve time and energy efficiency. And Technology has made it easier for you to continue acquiring knowledge in a more modern and practical way. Next slide, challenge in higher education. So, first, expensive costs. Second, difficult subjects. Three, time management. However, there are also challenges such as expensive tuition fees, difficult subjects, and managing time effectively. Expensive costs. It is undeniable that tuition fees, books, and lab equipment can be quite expensive. This is often a major concern for students and their parents. Difficult subjects. All these level, the courses studies are much more specific and in-depth. Sometimes, understanding complex theories requires more concentration and effort than in higher school. And time management with numerous assessments, organizational schedules, and personal matters. Managing time effectively is a major challenge. Many students struggle to balance academic responsibilities with their daily lives. This challenge shouldn't discourage us, but rather enable you to develop better strategies for navigating our college years. Next, my opinion about higher education. In my opinion, higher education is very important because it helps us achieve our goals and build a better future. And everyone, now I like to share my personal views on higher education. I believe that pursuing a college education is extremely important. Why is that? Because higher education isn't just about getting a degree. It is tool to help us achieve our dreams. This is where we hone our skill to be better prepared for the world of work and build a more organized and better future for ourselves and our families. Next, conclusion. In conclusion, higher education plays an important role in our lives. It helps us gain knowledge, skill, and better opportunities. Through college, we not only gain theoretical knowledge but also develop relevant skill. With this knowledge and skill, the doors of opportunity will open wider, giving you a better chance to contribute to society and achieve success in the future. That's all for my presentation, and sorry for my mistake in this presentation, and I say thank you. Enjoy your watching.